Hey guys, I'm Filipino Josh, TOYOKANIN. The other day at my place of business where I work, my colleague of mine discovered this poor crow. I think it's still juvenile, maybe. Drowning, or at least trying to swim in one of our reflection pools. So my colleague, she opted to try to rescue the poor underwater bird, I guess. And we noticed that there is an injury. The poor bird has some kind of wing injury, and it was not able to flap its wing as hard as it could probably want. So this video shows what happens when you try to help a crow get out of the water. But we did take the crow out of the water, and we put it in like a raised flower bush area, and here is the video of that. Enjoy. Hey little buddy.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Don't worry, I won't harm you. You're gonna be okay? You got a broken arm, do you, huh? Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I know, I won't harm you, don't worry. We don't mess with crows. Beautiful though. Look at you. What happened to you, dude? Yeah. So after a little bit, I opted to leave and continue doing what I'm doing at work. And later on, I will go back later during the night because I was curious to see if the poor bird, I'll call him Birdie, if Birdie made it. Basically, he was wet. He was soaking wet. He was wet up to his head. We had to use like one of those dog catching sticks that has like this loop to like pull him out of the water, because if you try to touch him, he is quite defensive. He doesn't know if you're helping him or not. So I got that doggy stick and I use it on Birdie. It's probably not a bird stick, but now it's called a bird stick. We got Birdie out of there. I put him here where you can see him. He's nice and happy, or at least trying to figure out what his next move is. So I went out for a patrol, comes back, supervised the people, and then I came back later at night. I didn't see him there at that perch area, that raised gravel bush. So here he is after a few hours. Hey buddy, don't go to the water again, okay? Hey, no, don't go that way. The water's that way, okay? Hey, I'm telling you, don't go to the water again, okay? Go that way, okay? Go that way. Okay? All right, good. It's a good thing I didn't call the thing. You need help? Okay, I'll help you. Come on. Up. Okay, come here. This way. Oh, I'm helping you. You want to go up here? Look, come on, go up there. Alright, I'm gonna kick you, okay? But I'm helping you, okay? I promise you. Hey, where are we going? Psst, where are we going? You wanna go over there? Come on, man, let me help you. Alright, I'm going this way, okay? Yeah, it's right here. Hey, don't fall in the water again, man. Go this way. Alright, I'm gonna kick you, okay? I'm sorry. I'm trying to put you over there. No, stay. No, I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm trying to put you in there. I know. I'm sorry. Don't go in there. That's the water. Dude, don't go there. That's the water again. You're gonna drown again. I'm gonna help you, Mr. Bullbird. Come here. Hey, stop moving. You're injured, okay? You're all injured. Stick around. Stop moving. You got something? All right.
Where do we want him to go?
She just wants to go here. She's trying to climb this thing.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Watch out. I'm pretty sure he'll bite us.
Yeah, if I can just get him to go this way.
Oh, wait. Stop, bird. Stop, bird. Go that way, bird. Stay down. What if you turn off the light? Then he not see?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure he can still see.
Whoop. If I can get him on the grass, I feel a lot more comfortable.
It'd be just weird if I just grab his neck.
He'd probably turn around and bite you.
He recovered though.
Yeah, it's just broken, you can tell.
It's this arm. It's this arm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a protrusion there, but shit, he can hop around. That's higher, you idiot! You were so good.
Hold on.
Help him, okay? Help him, don't bite me. Alright, hold on. Let's just toss my jacket over here. You got your thing? So go toss my. Alright. So I grabbed him with my jacket and I tossed him in there. Alright, you happy now, right? Alright, bud? I'm out of here. Have a good night. Alright, you gonna be cool? You're gonna be cool, right? Don't walk in the water anymore, okay? Don't walk in the water. Bye-bye. After an hour or so, I looked for him again, and here he is. What are you doing there? Why are you upside down again? What are you doing there? Okay, I'm gonna kick you, okay? I'm gonna push you around, okay? Don't bite me, okay? You gonna be okay? What are you doing, dude? Alright, I'm gonna push you, okay? Alright, there you go. Okay, feel better now? You better relax. I put you on the grass for a reason. Dude, you're still injured. Don't be a hero, okay? Psst, where you going, bird? Come on, stay on this side. Look. Hey. Psst. Hey, listen to me, man. Okay, that's where you drowned last time. That's where you drowned. Don't go there. That's where you were drowning earlier. Psst, don't go there. Listen to a buddy, okay? Why are you trying to go there? Alright, I'm gonna kick you again, okay? Don't bite me, okay? I'm gonna kick you again, okay? I'm just gonna push you, okay? Turn around. Are you drunk or something, dude? You high? You better not be high, man. I know it's legal, but don't be high, okay? Alright, I'm gonna go now, okay? Dude, quit going there. What's over there for you? Is there anything shiny in the water? Hey, quit it, man, quit it. See, now you're stuck again. You need help? No, stay there, stop. Come on, man. I told you, stay over there in the grass where it's safe. What are you doing? What's in the water? What do you see over here? Why do you keep going to the water, huh? Stop. Don't go to the water anymore. Quit it, bird. Quit it. What's in the water, hey? You dropped something there? Like a toy or something? Probably. Alright, come on, let's go inside. Well, probably not allowed to take care of you. I checked online, mate. I'm not allowed to take care of you. It's illegal in California. You're like some kind of wildlife kind of bird, right? Tell me you're domesticated and I'll take you home right now. Hey, you better not have any bird disease. I've been talking with you all day. Where you going, dude? Hey, don't go there. That's where the water is, mate. Psst, hey, where you going now? You better not be walking away from me, mate. Don't go there. That's where the water is. Oh, my stars. This bird.
Should I
You reckon we can find a box somewhere?
Yeah, I can get a box up in the,
Psst, psst, don't go there. Go that way. Go that way. Look at him.
I know.
Look at him. Miss Joe, maybe not. Let's let nature do its course.
Okay.
I mean, I want to help the dude, but